In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free account on Systeme.io. We'll go from landing on the website, to verifying your email, to setting a password, and finally opening your brand new dashboard so you can start building right away. First, open your favorite browser and head to the Systeme.io homepage. You can type the address directly or search for the official site. Make sure the page loads securely and you're on the genuine homepage before moving forward. Taking a second to confirm you're in the right place helps you avoid issues later. On the main page, you'll see a simple box inviting you to get started. Type your email address into the input field. It's best to use an email you check regularly, since you'll receive important notifications, and of course the verification message you'll need next. Double check for typos before you continue. When you're ready, click the button that says either Get My Free Account or Start for Free. The label can vary slightly, but both do the same thing. They kick off your free account setup. Now go to your inbox and look for a confirmation email from Systeme.io. Open it and click the verification link inside to prove you own the address you just entered. If you don't see the message right away, give it a minute or two. Then check your spam or promotions folder. Dragging the email into your primary inbox can help ensure future messages land where you'll notice them. This verification step is important because it secures your account and unlocks access to the platform. After clicking the link, you'll be redirected to a page where you can create and confirm your password. Choose something strong and unique, ideally a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to generate and save a secure password so you won't forget it. Make sure both password fields match exactly, then submit to finalize your setup. Once your password is set, you'll be logged straight into your new dashboard. This is your command center. From here, you can start building funnels, organize and manage your contacts, or create and deliver courses. Take a moment to explore the navigation, notice where key tools live, and familiarize yourself with the settings. Even if you're not building anything yet, getting comfortable with the layout will save you time later. That's it, your free Systeme.io account is ready to go. Enjoy exploring, and when you're ready, dive into your first funnel or course build.